You don't have to rely exclusively on your window units or portable air conditioners for keeping cool, not when there's a tower fan at home. These fans circulate air with less noise and energy consumption than most air conditioners, and their space-saving slim silhouette is ideal for tucking in a room corner and out of the way. Most are relatively affordable, too, and come with additional features including air filters, built-in thermostats, timers, and smart functionality. Yet with so many options, finding the right tower fan for your home isn't always a breeze, pardon the pun, unless you have a handful of vetted choices. That's why we tested and researched several tower fans before deciding which to recommend. This buying guide features expert advice on what to look for as you shop, along with reviews of the best tower fans worth considering. Number 1. Honeywell QuietSet Whole Room Tower Fan. This tower fan from Honeywell offers everything you need without any unnecessary bells or whistles. It's sturdy, during testing it didn't wobble on its base while oscillating, and for well under $100, you get 8 speeds for customizability that rivals more expensive choices. Each setting has a different title that provides context for the power level, including a quiet setting for overnight use while you sleep. It also gives you the option of dimming its LED light, which we really appreciated. When you're not around, the fan can be set on an auto-off timer that runs up to 12 hours. And, if you need to move it, there's an easy-to-grab carrying handle. It comes with a standard 1-year warranty. Number 2. Pelonas 40-inch Tower Fan. Late sleepers will appreciate this tower fan, which has a 15-hour programmable timer, the most of any option we cover here. It's great for anyone with pets at home who spend time indoors while you're at work or won't be back until late. Other highlights among features include 90-degree oscillation, a remote control with a 20-foot range, 3 fan speeds, and 3 operating modes. These include normal, natural, and slumberous, which provides a low, quiet breeze. The user-friendly top-mounted control panel with bright LED light indicators features different speed settings, fan modes, turns oscillation on and off, and a convenient programmable automatic timer which gives you undisturbed sleep and saves energy. Adjusting your fan settings from a distance of up to 16 feet or to power the unit on or off at the touch of a button, no matter where you are in the room. 50 cm air outlet with 90 degrees silent oscillation along with the 15-hour programmable timer takes the experience to a completely new level. Plus, a rear handle makes it much easier to relocate. Number 3. Drio Nomad 1 Tower Fan. While testing in the lab and for 2 months at home, the Drio 1 Tower Fan impressed us with its clear digital display, powerful airflow, quiet operation, and range of settings, earning our pick as the best tower fan. Everything about this cooling tower fan felt just right. The sound level is quiet enough for a bedroom or any space while still providing a slight white noise. At 48 decibels, it's quieter than a refrigerator. Although it's not the tallest fan on our list, this tower fan is a great size for any room. It is relatively lightweight and has a built-in handle, so we could easily move it. This fan has 4 fan speeds, and we could detect a noticeable difference between each. We used it in a bedroom every night at the highest setting, 4, and never found the noise level to be disruptive. In addition to its easy-to-read digital display, this fan has many thoughtful features, including an eco mode, to save energy, and an 8-hour timer. We especially love that you can turn off the noise the fan makes when you change settings, which is helpful at night. You can also dim the display lights if they are distracting. The remote works from as far as 20 feet away. If you ever struggled with finding the right distance or angle for an appliance remote to work, you'll especially love this feature. Number 4. Lasko Fan and Space Heater Combo Tower. For cooling and circulating the air in large rooms, we recommend the Lasko Fan and Space Heater Combo Tower. We have tested this fan in the lab twice and at home for over a year, and it still stands out for its versatility and effectiveness. Tall enough to reach over a bed, it has a powerful airflow that we felt as much as 20 feet away while testing. And even at its highest setting, it functions as white noise and is not disruptive. We love that this is a combination fan and heater, so it can make your home feel more comfortable year-round, and you never need to store it. Although tall, its sleek look and compact base blends into your decor better than some other options we tested. Safety features include a bladeless design and a tip-over automatic shutoff. The control panel on top of the fan and the remote control have separate settings for the fan and heater, which we found very user-friendly. Also, the digital display lets you know which mode you are using, so you can tell at a glance from across the room, red light for the heater and blue for the fan. And although the display lacks a dimming feature, like other tower fans, you can set an 8-hour programmable timer to turn the unit off. Number 5. Lasko Tower Fan. If you need a fan for an office or another smaller area, the Lasko Oscillating Tower Fan is a great option, with a wood-paneled look to help it blend into any room. While using this fan at home, we are happy to report that it is powerful, easy to switch between modes, and very quiet, so quiet, in fact, that we sometimes forgot to turn it off. We also noted that it produces more air than our ceiling fan. While we did find the unit to be a bit bulky compared to other tower fans we tested, and it won't match everyone's decor style, we still think it's a great option, especially for small bedrooms or offices, as it effectively cools and circulates the air and takes up a relatively small footprint. Plus, it's also a good choice to use while sleeping. Relatively quiet at its highest setting, it has a 7.5-hour timer and sleep mode that dims the LED display while gradually reducing the fan speed. Number 6. Rowenta Urban Cool Silent Tower Fan. When testing this tower fan out, we barely even noticed when it was on at the lowest power setting. Unlike other options we tested, the quietest setting was nearly silent. While the accompanying breeze certainly wasn't as powerful as others, it was more than enough to keep the air circulating in a small room. This tower fan from Rowenta combines the quiet operation with quality technology and a sleek design. The fan comes with an auto mode that sets the temperature of the room and adjusts the power of the fan between its 3 modes. If it's above 82 degrees, the fan blasts the highest level. It adjusts to the middle setting between 77 and 82 degrees, and its lowest setting for cooler ambient temperatures. All of us also appreciated the wooden-style exterior design. For modern living spaces, the faux wood look helps the fan blend into a clean aesthetic even if it's displayed prominently in the room. Number 7. Lasko 40-inch Smart Oscillating. Add a bit of smart tech to your cooling device with this tower fan from Lasko. Unlike other tower fans on this list, it comes with more than just manual controls. The fan connects to your home Wi-Fi system through the Aria app, Lasko's in-house app for all its smart-enabled devices. What was most exciting about this for us was the range it gives. As long as your phone has an internet connection and the fan is linked to the Wi-Fi, you can turn it on or off from anywhere. You can also make power adjustments or build an entire weekly power schedule directly from the phone. The actual connection process was also relatively easy, as the fan and app pairing quickly with one another and with Wi-Fi. The operating instructions are clear and it comes with 2-year limited warranty. The LED control button is an Aria app exclusive feature. Use this feature to enable dark mode. Dark mode will turn off your device LED interface and only show it for 5 seconds if a button is pressed. Number 8. Lasko Oscillating Tower Fan. Don't pay for a full tower when a small one will do. This compact mini tower from Lasko stands at just over a foot high, perfect for a nightstand or desk. The fan comes with 2 adjustable heads so you can angle a portion of it at yourself and a portion in a different direction. The mini tower fan offers 3-speed and front-mounted electronic controls. There's no remote, but the control panel at the base makes it easy to lean over in bed to change the settings. There's also an integrated carrying handle, so you can move it from surface to surface without any hassle. Don't expect billowing gusts of wind with such a small device, but it's the exact choice for a quick cool-off as you work or near your bed.